You guys smell that? There's something in the air tonight. That's right, it's another new scooter. We're updating the air. All right, you've seen this enough times. Let's skip to the good part. Wait a second, that's not done yet. One more time. That's better. Wait, this is an unboxing video. Oops. In your box, you will find a charger box and charger cable, a 4mm Allen key, and your user manual. Now let's talk upgrades. New upgraded 500 watt motor for more power. Larger 15 amp hour battery for extended range. Dedicated regen brake throttle for precise stopping power. Higher quality inner tubes and tires for better grip and fewer flats. Upgraded folding mechanism and stem so you can feel sturdy as a rock. Fresh graphite gray paint coat for that futuristic look. And check out the flush headlight. On top of that, you can still expect the same dual front fork suspension, front drum brake, and lightweight portability that the Air has to offer. We're dropping the old Air and Air Pro and combining them into one super commuter. Welcome to 2022 Apollo Air. New look, same great experience. Available now at apolloscooters.co.